Good morning. It's 5:30 on Monday. What day is Monday? May 22nd. Just got up to do chores. I'd been checking on our other cow that was due next on the 30th, and Stacy just called and said, we have another calf out in the field. So that's how today's going. Let's go check that out.
Can we get the iodine real quick?
Yep. Okay, we got Mom up here to the barn. And now it's time to milk her. What do you think about that, Arrowleaf? Okay. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
So a week ago, we came to you with a surprise calf, and again, another surprise calf. So why don't you share with everyone what exactly you experienced this morning?
Well, we already knew it was going to be a busy day, and so we actually got up a little early to do chores a little earlier than normal because we knew we had a big shipment of equipment coming to the creamery. So I went out there to get Dodie to milk her and her little half Angus calf. And as I was walking out there, I was like, how come her calf isn't near her? And then I realized there was two little black calves out in the field. And so Arrowleaf, who wasn't due until the 30th, sometime early this morning had a calf. We looked at her yesterday and we're like, oh, she's getting close. So we thought she was going to be early, but not quite this early. So we had already made a mental note to start keeping an eye on her. But yeah, and she, again, the best we can judge based on everything we found was probably around 3 or 4 this morning. She had her calf unassisted out in the field. By the time we found it, it had already nursed. And she had passed her placenta, and she cleaned off the calf, and so there really wasn't that much for us to do.
And so that's what we did.
And then we went and we worked all day.
Yeah. So that's another one of the, we keep saying we're going to give you an update of all the stuff that's going on. So just a brief prequel to that is busy getting our farm ready for our stuff this year, and then busy getting the nonprofit community creamery up and going so it can open at the end of June, which is like next month. So like in 4 weeks, 5 weeks.
But yeah, today was a big day for the community creamery because, like I mentioned earlier, we got all of our equipment in today, and I don't know when we'll get around to doing a video about that, but if you want to see it before that, you can check out the Facebook page for Columbia Community Creamery because we put pictures on there.
And then a board member just started a Instagram page also, so you can look those up.
I don't know anything about Instagram.
I don't either.
But it's called Columbia Community Creamery also.
And again, just to be clear, that it's completely separate from our farm. We have Clover Mountain Dairy, which is an LLC, and we are just helping out the creamery, getting them going. So I hope that you're having a good day. We're happy to have another healthy calf.
Which, oh, by the way, is a heifer.
Oh, yeah, it's a heifer. We didn't even tell you the name yet. We're terrible at this.
And we named her Windy with an I because it was quite windy this morning, the weather. So very breezy. And so we named her Windy.
Yeah, but Mom and calf are doing well. We'll go out and check on them before we sign off tonight so you can see them again. All right, there we go, here in the barn. As you can see, it is the end of May and we've had another temperature shift. We were having about 90 degrees and I don't know, almost 90% humidity, which is really strange for us.
And then this morning was like, and maybe that's why Arrowleaf had her calf. Maybe it was this huge weather shift overnight.
I don't know. But we hope that you guys are doing well where you are, and we'll catch up with you next time on Clover Mountain Dairy.
You'll probably hear we have some barn swallows also living in here.
Yeah. Full house.
Full house.